So as a urologist and a surgeon who's been in practice for over 25 years, one of the biggest issues I have with patients who are, doc, I'm just concerned about my size. I'm not able to satisfy myself as a man and my partner either. What can we do? And there's been a lot of things talked about out there in the world of urology and surgery. There's things where you can cut the suspensory ligaments, which make the penis look bigger, but there's nothing really been out there to improve the size. The size was your size. Well, that's not the truth anymore. Now we have all these kinds of unique things we can offer. What do we offer here at the spa for this particular issue? For the patient that wants a bigger penis, a more wide penis, one that's going to satisfy them and the men in the locker room walking around proudly without a towel. It's going to make them more provocative when they're wearing a bathing suit, looking a little bit bigger, a little bit more junk in the trunk, so to speak. We're able to do that. How do we do it? So what we first do is we take blood from our patients and we spin it down and we get that plasma-rich protein. We talked a little bit before about the P shot. The PRP, which is the plasma-rich protein, which is going to help stimulate regeneration of the smooth muscle in the penis. And then we're going to take filler, right? Everyone knows about filler. Most commonly people know about it when we do it in our face for volume loss. It's going to help, you're going to inject it under the skin. It's going to plump up the tissue. It's going to also have the body produce collagen and a natural support system for regrowth and support of the face. Now we can do that in the penis as well. So we take the filler, we take that plasma-rich protein or the P shot, and we combine the two. We take the PRP and the filler and we go back and forth in a specially designed syringe to dilute it. And then if my finger represents the penis, this is the tip of the penis, this is the penis close to our body. Along the sides, we're going to take that filler and PRP combination and basically fill the sides. We're going to increase width and girth and length by doing that. We also at the same time do take the PRP and we're going to inject it like a traditional P shot into both sides of the corporal body to help the natural production and regeneration of that smooth muscle and regeneration of that scaffolding for the penis to get nice, firm, and hard. The procedure itself is essentially painless. As a surgeon, I do a penile block where I give you a small needle so you don't feel any of the injections. And then over the next about an hour or so, we're basically going to mark equal segments along the side of the penis so it's artistically done. Obviously, everyone is focused on their penis as men and hopefully women as well. And we're going to symmetrically increase the size of the penis on both sides. The procedure takes entirety from drawing your blood to the walking out takes about an hour. And there's different fillers we use depending on what the goal is, depending on how much size you want. And we do this in our consultation because we ultimately want you to be the most satisfied with your results. So we take into consideration, obviously, your desires, your needs, and our goal here at the spa is to meet them and to exceed them. And we're able to do that with the Man Up procedure.